In this model, I'm going to go over the alimentary canal. The word alimentary means food. So another word for the alimentary canal is the gastrointestinal tract or the GI tract. When we talk about the alimentary canal, that is going to involve any place where food is going to pass. So food is going to be ingested at the oral cavity. There it is going to be pushed back into the pharynx. The pharynx is going to pass food down through the esophagus, which you can't see, but you can see it here. So food passes through the esophagus through rhythmic contractions, peristalsis to propel food through. When the esophagus reaches the diaphragm, it does enter at the esophageal hiatus, and there's a sphincter here called the lower esophageal sphincter or the gastroesophageal sphincter. So food empties into the stomach. From here, the stomach empties into the duodenum. So I'm going to remove the stomach, a portion of the large intestines, and you can see the duodenum. The duodenum is C-shaped. It's the shortest portion of the small intestines. Now, you can see all the way to here. When you put the small intestines back, the second component of the small intestines is the jejunum, and it ends at the ileum. Now, the ileum is the last portion of the small intestines that is going to empty into the cecum, the first portion of the large intestines, through a valve called the Ileocecal Valve, which you can see here. So the ileum and the cecum. Attached to your cecum, you would have the appendix, which you can only see if you turn it around. It is the vermiform appendix, which means it's like worm-like. The large intestines, the cecum is the first portion, which just fell off. Food does travel to the ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, so it goes down. The S-shaped portion of the colon is called sigmoid colon, and then it would go to the rectum, which you can't see here, and then to the anal canal. That is basically the alimentary canal.